A Brussels sprouts farm is an agricultural establishment dedicated to the cultivation of Brussels sprouts, a nutrient-rich and distinctive vegetable that belongs to the cruciferous family. These small, cabbage-like vegetables have gained popularity for their unique flavor, versatility in cooking, and impressive health benefits. A Brussels sprouts farm plays a crucial role in providing a steady supply of this nutritious vegetable to local markets, restaurants, and consumers. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Site selection. A suitable location with well-drained soil, adequate sunlight, and proper air circulation is essential for Brussels sprouts cultivation. Soil preparation. The soil should be rich in organic matter and well-draining. Farmers often add compost or other organic materials to improve soil structure and fertility. Sowing or planting. Brussels sprouts are typically grown from seeds, which are sown indoors during late winter or early spring. The young seedlings are then transplanted to the field once they're strong enough. Watering and fertilization. Consistent watering is essential to prevent drought stress and promote healthy growth. Farmers also provide appropriate fertilization to ensure the plants receive necessary nutrients. Pest and disease management. Brussels sprouts are susceptible to various pests and diseases, such as aphids, caterpillars, and fungal infections. Integrated pest management techniques are employed to control these issues while minimizing the use of pesticides. Harvesting. The sprouts develop along the stem of the plant and mature from the bottom upward. Harvesting is usually done by hand, selecting sprouts of the desired size and leaving the upper part of the plant to continue producing. Conclusion. A Brussels sprouts farm is a vital component of the agricultural landscape, bringing forth a nutrient-rich and distinctively flavored vegetable to our tables. As awareness of the nutritional benefits of Brussels sprouts continues to grow, these farms remain at the forefront of meeting the demand for this remarkable vegetable. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.